Hello everyone, welcome to Shadcn. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shadcn projects in React and Vite application. Okay, let's get started. So let's go to Shadcn. Okay, and then go to documentation and then go to installation and then go to Vite. So it will tell you how to create a Vite project over here and how to configure Shadcn in Vite application. Okay, we are going to follow some guidelines from this documentation. Okay, let's get started. Go to desktop. You can go to wherever you want on your computer and then press shift and right click and then go to open PowerShell window here. Okay, the first command that we are going to execute is this command npm create vite at latest. I can copy it or you can type it directly over here. npm create vite at latest. So it will ask you a project name. So you just type it over here. I will name it React and then Shadcn and JS, something like this. And then I'm going to pick React. And then I will go to JavaScript. You can choose TypeScript. And if you choose TypeScript, you just follow this document directly. Okay, and then hit enter. After you hit enter, it will create a folder for you on desktop over here. And then you just go into the folder, cd react shadcn-js. Okay, and then type npm install. Let's open this project with Visual Studio Code, type code and dot, hit enter. So it will open Visual Studio Code for you. And then let's open terminal over here. Over here, I will type npm run dev. Press Ctrl and click over here. It will open React application over here. You can click on count 1 to T. At this step, we have installed React successfully. The next step, we are going to install Tailwind. Let's press Ctrl C to stop the application and type yes. Okay, the next step that we are going to do is to add Tailwind and its configuration. Alright, copy this command and then put this over here, hit enter. And the next step, let's copy this command and put this over here. After you run this command, you will get these files, tailwind.configs.js. I just want to let you know we won't do anything on these files. Okay, the next step, what we are going to do, instead of using these files, tsconfigs.js, we are going to name it jsconfigs.js because we don't use TypeScript on our project, so we go with js.configs.json. Okay, you don't have to copy. Let's right click over here, create new files, and then jsconfig.json. Okay, and we just copy everything from here and put this over here. Okay, I'm going to edit this a little bit. Okay, the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to update vite.config.ts. In our case, it's gonna be .js. Okay, we are going to add this alias to our Vite configuration. Okay, copy this one and go to vite.config.js over here. Put this over here. And then we have to include path over here. So let me go back to that documentation and then copy this one and put this over here and save it. Make sure you save these files as well. So the next step, we are going to run this command. Copy this command and paste it over here. npm shadcn UI at latest init. Okay, hit enter. It's going to ask you, would you like to use TypeScript? No, pick no. And then which styles would you like to use? I'm going to default, hit enter. And then we are going to pick slate. And we have to tell it where is our global CSS files. So our global CSS files will be in source and index.css. Okay. So we type source index.css, hit enter. And would you like to use CSS variables for colors? Yes. And then just hit enter. And then just hit enter. And hit enter, hit enter. And hit enter for yes. And then we can choose like yes. Okay. We successfully initiate our Shadcn in our project. Okay, the next step we are going to do, we are going to create a first component. Copy this one, this command, and paste this over here. Hit enter. So we execute this command to create a button component. When you go to source over here and components, and then UI and button, you will see button.jsx over here. So this file just created. Okay, let me close this one and close this one. Okay, let's import this button in app.jsx. Let's remove this one. Okay, and remove this one. Remove all of this. And can remove this one too. Okay, let's import a button over here. Button. Okay, this button. So don't forget to include this one as well. And this one I can put hello Shadcn. Okay, save it. And let's run npm run dev over here. And press Ctrl and click over here. And if you go here, you will see a button over here. Okay. Okay, what if I put div over here? And let's try some Tailwind class over here. Okay. Class name padding x equal to 20. I have to move this button over here and then save, and let's see the button move over here. Okay, let me create a folder in component over here and then name it demo. Let's try other components. For example, go to component over here and then go to carousel. Okay, we are going to copy this code. Copy it over here. So right click, new files. We can name it carousel demo.jsx and paste this over here. Okay, you have to remove this one, so we don't need this one. There's two components that we have to create, cart and cart content. Okay, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see how to create a carousel component over here. You can copy it and then stop this application and paste the command over here. It will create carousel for you. And as I say, we have to create cart component as well. So let's create cart component npx shadcn UI add latest add cart. And you will see carousel over here in UI folder, in components folder. Okay, and you will see cart over here. So, and then you can use this demo component in app.jsx. Let's try carousel demo. This one, sorry, I write it wrong. Let's change this one to carousel. Okay. And then over here is carousel. Save to run npm run dev. And then go back to our application. See, you will see carousel over here. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below.